Hey everyone, this is J Ivy Lee, aka Nail Fertiti, and I'm back with another tutorial. This time we're doing some almond shaped nails. So I'm using my non-C-curve square tips and I'm cutting the sides diagonally so it's easier for me to shape the almond shape. And now I'm just going in with my AD100 nail files that I get from Shein and making sure the sides are crisp and the edge of the almond is nice and round but not too pointy. I actually love doing like a short almond set because it's so easy and I know that it's going to be a quick set for me. The shaping process is very quick and application is even quicker. So yeah, I love almond nails, and I especially love this design because I thought it was very cute and very, perfect for spring. Okay, so here are the nail tips shaped and blended into the natural nail. Before application, I do my prep and I go in with 2 layers of Mia Secret Dehydrate, and then I go in with 1 layer of the Mia Secret nail prep. And then before I actually apply the acrylic to each nail, I go in with an extra layer of the Young Nails Protein Bond, and this helps me not have any lifting on my nails. It helps prevent lifting a lot. The acrylic I'm using is Prettiest Pink from Valentino Beauty Pure. Like I said, almond shape application is super easy and quick for me because usually I'm able to use like 1 bead to cover the whole nail. Well, when the almond nails are short. I have done some longer almond nails and those did take a little bit longer, but it was still easy. Here's the finished application. So I'm going in now with my 5-in-1 tapered carbide bit that I got from Panna. I purchased it off of Amazon. And the dust collector I got is also from Amazon. And I'm making sure to use the bit to clean up the cuticle area and thin out the nail tip like how I like to do my nails. Now I'm going back in with my nail file to make sure that the shape is nice and crisp, and I'm using the 100 grit side to buff the surface of the nail, making sure that it's nice and smooth. On these nails, we're doing French tips. First, I went in with a white gel polish that I got from Beetles, and then I kind of outlined this French tip with a lavender color that I got from Hause. So as you can see, I don't do these French tips like I would do French tip on like a square or coffin shaped nails. Because the nails are round, I kind of just follow the curve with the nail brush and create my French tip like that. It's a bit easier doing it this way than like drawing a line. I've tried that before and it didn't really give me the result that I wanted, because on almond nails I like to have like a really deep, really small French tip. I really need to like invest in more storage on my phone because I wasn't able to record the rest of the process. After I did the white French tips, I just outlined it with the lavender color, and then I did add a 3D flower in a lavender acrylic on top, and that was pretty much it. The crystals I bought from Blue Street Crystals online, and it's a goal of mine to become a brand ambassador for Blue Street Crystal one day, so I can tell you guys, hey, use code NAILFORTD for 5% off. Thank you all for watching this nail tutorial. I hope you loved it as much as I love creating it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.